Welcome back everyone, great to see you back here on Scrummy. Brown butter banana bread is what we're making today. I adore this banana bread, and if you haven't tried it, well, it's definitely a must. Brown butter has a delicious nutty caramel flavour which pairs beautifully with bananas. Okay folks, time to start making brown butter banana bread. We're going to start by browning our butter. Add the butter to a non-stick pan, heat over a medium heat, melt the butter and stir occasionally until the butter starts to foam and changes to a caramel colour. It should only take 3 to 4 minutes, but just make sure you don't burn it. When you have a nice amber brown colour, turn the heat off and add the cinnamon and give it a good mix. Cool for about 2 to 3 minutes. When the melted butter is cool, add 3 mashed bananas to the brown butter and mix it in. Next add the sugar and stir it in. This banana bread is great for using up overripe bananas, and I've got so many overripe bananas in my kitchen at this time of the year, so it's perfect. The egg is next, and I like to beat up the egg before adding it to the mixture. Stir in the egg until it's really well combined with the rest of the ingredients. Finally, it's the plain flour, salt and baking soda. One final gentle mix until there's no traces of flour remaining. That's it, all done. Now let's get it into a lined 2-pound loaf tin. I like to sprinkle some cinnamon sugar on top. This is just a simple mix of 1 tablespoon of sugar to half a teaspoon of cinnamon. This step is optional, so totally up to you if you want to do it or not. Finally add a banana which you've cut down the centre and push it down a little. Again, this is optional, but I think it gives lovely character to the banana bread. Now pop into the oven and bake at 200 degrees Celsius, 390 Fahrenheit for 1 hour. You'll know it's done when you insert a toothpick and it comes out clean. Check out the golden brown colour and caramelised bananas. Place on a wire rack to cool for about 1 hour. Now let's dig in. Banana bread is delicious for breakfast, for a snack or even dessert. If you could only smell this through your screens, yum. This is a great way to use up overripe bananas. Remember, when life gives you overripe bananas, make banana bread. I can't wait for you to try out this recipe. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. Check out my channel for lots more lovely recipes. Thanks so much for watching, and I really hope you enjoyed the video. See you all soon. Happy baking everyone!